Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the 42nd scenario of Apex Trigger. In this scenario, we will be creating a case record based upon the requirement. We have one field on account object, that is type. In the type field, if the person select premium, then we will be doing the same trigger. So let's see the data model using a PowerPoint presentation and see how we will be doing it. Scenario 42. So first of all, we will be using these three objects. One is account, contact and case, because we need to update their field. After that, the scenario is in a way, create a trigger on a contact when the contact is created or edited on account where account type is equal to premium. Then you need to perform the following things. First, you need to create a case record and update the subject with the last name of contact and description with the first name of contact. Also, case owner ID will be the account owner ID, and account owner ID account ID will remain same as the parent ID. So this is a flowchart diagram that we will be looking out. That is contact. Contact is created if the account type is premium. So yes, create case record, and we have to update case subject. Update, we have to insert, basically we have to update the case description, set the case owner ID and set account ID. So let's see, we will be doing this scenario, how we will be looking to this scenario. In order to do the same, I have created one custom field. We already have a field on account type, but in order to save minimum chance of mistake, we have created one custom field, that is type. So we have already one field name as type. So we have created another field of type on the account table, that is custom, and in this we have only the premium value in this field. We can use this field as well, but we haven't created, we have created a separate field. If you want to do it, you can do it by creating the field in this. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to perform the trigger on update as well as insert as well. So in order to do that, I will be first creating a trigger, that is after insert, and what I will be doing after update. So once we are done with this, what I will be doing, as we were doing earlier, if trigger dot is insert and trigger dot is after, then you need to perform some operation. And another thing is, I will be copying this out completely, and after copying this out, I will be pasting this here. When the trigger dot is update and trigger dot is after, once our trigger has been saved, we will first go on to handler object and then there create a method, and then we will be using same method for update operation as well as for the insert operation as well. So let's go here. So what I will be doing, I will be creating one method, public static void update case handler, case creation handler. This is a method name. Here I will be taking two parameters. One is trigger.oldMap in order to go for the update operation, and second is trigger.name. So what I will be creating, I will be creating a list of contact, since our trigger is on contact, and we will be going on after insert, because as soon as the record is updated and inserted or updated, then only we need to perform the operation. So what we will be doing, that is new records, and another is map of ID versus, what is the second thing, that is contact, and here I will be creating old map. Further, let's save this out, and after saving this out, we are done with this. And after that, what we will be doing, I will be using this method. So you must be thinking that trigger.old don't exist in in the insert operation. How Trisha will be managing this? It is very much simple. What I will be doing, I will be copying this. First, let's complete the insert operation. So what I will be doing, I will be calling the contact handler dot this method, and further here it is asking me two parameters. First is trigger.new, but it doesn't have the trigger.old. So what I will be doing, I will be doing the null, and I will be copying this line, and in update we have trigger.old map. What I will be doing instead of null, that is trigger.old map. So this trigger is just a revision. However, we have done one trigger in the past as well, where we are managing the insert and update operation. Here also we are doing the same thing, but let's see, the style is different, the method is different in order to do the same. So here we reach till this point. First of all, what we will be getting, we will be getting iterating the contact records from trigger.new. So what I will be doing, for contact trigger dot new, and what I will be doing further, let's save this out. After saving this out, what I will be doing, let's check if there is no error till this point. I don't think there should be any error till this point. Oh, the error should be trigger.new don't exist. So this is the error, so I will be removing and I will be adding new records. Okay, so once we are good with this, now what you need to do, in order to check for the update operation, we will be add this condition: if old map is not equal to null. By this condition, if the record is getting inserted, then old map, what value of old map we have put the value equal to null, and then if this is not equal to null, then only proceed with this scenario. Okay, so next step is why we have used the trigger.old map. Since one operation that need update is whenever the account record is changed, then only you need to perform the operation, else there is no need. For example, if account is premium, non-premium earlier and now it is premium, then only you need to create a case. Similarly, what I will be doing, if old map dot get, what I will be adding, what is my id, that is con dot id dot account id. If this is not equal to con dot account id, then only perform this operation. Yes, exactly, we need to do the same, nothing special here. So after doing this, what I will be creating, I will be creating a set of account IDs, that is account id set, and what I will be doing, I will be creating new set of id, and what I will be doing, that is I will be saving and account id set dot add. Further, what I need to do, that is con dot account id. So we are done with the update operation. For update, we will be checking it like this. For insert, how we will be doing it? Insert is simple, you don't need to worry anything about it. So what you will be doing now, here you will be adding else if con dot account id if not equal to null. So just you need to check this, if this is not equal to null. So if the account map is null, so it will definitely go into the else part. So what I will be doing, I will be copying this line and I will be pasting this line here. So why we have taken the account IDs? Because with account ID we can get we can get the owner ID. We don't need a contact here, we need a owner ID here, and I can't get the owner ID directly from account ID. We have also discussed this in the previous scenario. If you want to see, you can reach out to my previous videos as well. This is 40-second video, so it takes lot of effort in order to build such series. So let's move further. What we will be doing, we will be querying the record for accounts. Okay, so what I will be taking, I will not be taking list of accounts. What I will be taking instead, I will be taking map of ID versus account, full account, that is account map. This is very much important. So what I will be doing, that is map of ID versus account, and further what I will be doing, I will be adding ground bases here and here. Here what I need to do, that is I will be querying the record select ID comma account ID comma, what is the third field that we need, that is owner ID owner ID from account where ID in which set, the set we have created earlier. And we need to check one more thing, that is if status equal to premium, if account type equal to premium. So we have created a custom field, you can refer the standard field as well, and type underscore underscore c is equal to what I will be doing, premium. So once we are done with this, so let's save this query and let's see if we are getting any issue here. So yes, we are getting some issue here. What is map of id comma account is equal to new map id comma account, where id in account id is set and type underscore underscore c is equal to premium. So what is it is giving me, there is no account id, so instead of account id I will be taking name. So I think we are done till this point, and our query got saved. So next step is we need four things. If we go on flowchart, we need to update case subject with the last name. If we go here, if we need to update with the last name of contact and the description with the first name, and these two are required. So what we will be doing, we will be iterating over original contact list. Okay, so in order to do that, what I will be doing, I will be copying this line again. So after copying this line, I will be pasting it here, and let's add some braces here in the end. So what if you will be doing, if con, no, we will not be doing con, but we will be doing if acc map dot contains key, which key is added, that is con dot account id. If it is available here, then only what you will be doing, you will be creating a case. So case c1 equal to new case, this is the first step. You will be creating a dummy object for case. c1 dot subject is equal to, that is my name is name, my last name is what I will be doing, plus con dot last name, and what I will be doing, c1 dot subject, not subject, I will be adding description is equal to, description is plus con dot first name. So these two fields are updated, plus one more thing, we will be adding the priority as well, priority equal to high, this point is done, and c1 dot, what is another field that needs to be updated, owner id. So we have created the map in order to get this field. So how we will be getting, that is acc map dot get, I will be copying this acc map dot get, and what I will be pasting, I will be pasting the account id, con dot account id dot owner id. Since we have queried owner id, we will be getting owner id as well, and last step what we will be doing, c1 dot account id. I will not be picking this id from the acc map, since I already have this id, so I will be adding con dot account id. So once we are done with this, our case is done. But in order to follow the best practice, we will not do any DML operation under the for loop. What we will be creating, we will be creating one list of case, that is final list, and what I will be doing is equal to new list of case, and further what I will be doing, saving this out. So I will be copying the final list, and after this final list dot add c1. So if we need to create 100 cases, we can create it by doing about 1 lakh cases as well. So once we are done with this, next step is after this for loop. So this for loop is getting exit here, so let's remove extra spaces here. So what I will be doing, so once if final list final list dot is empty is not empty, then what you need to do, we need to insert final list, and let's save this out. So our trigger is done. So I hope we have covered all the condition. We have updated the subject, we have inserted the description, we have added the priority, we have updated the owner ID as well as account ID. So we are done with this trigger. So now let's test this. So let's create a new account with the name Salesforce 1. So let's go on account and let's go here and let's create a new account here, that is Salesforce 1. No operation will happen on the creation of account. Salesforce 1 private limited, and what I will be doing here, what I will be adding, that is my type field equal to premium. So I just add this field. We can add a premium field as well. So first condition is as soon as the contact is created or updated, so then and the type equal to premium. So what I will be doing, that is Shameshwar Sharma, and let's update this out. So as soon as you do this operation, Shameshwar Sharma, your case has already been created. If you see here, the case has been created, and if we go on the case detail record, that is coming here, priority equal to high, account name is updated, and owner name is also updated. Then where is owner name is also coming, since I have created this record, so that's why Trisha Sachdeva is coming. So since our trigger has been tested, now let's go on to test class. What I will be doing, I will be creating the Apex class, that is trigger on contact test, trigger on contact test, and what I will be doing, I will be creating a test class for this scenario. So let's save this out. It is taking a little time. At the rate is test, and what I will be doing, at the rate is test public static void test method 1, and what I will be doing, I will be creating a dummy account is equal to new account, and what I will be doing, a.id is a dot name is equal to xyz, and let's create a dot type is equal to premium. This is the second condition, and what I will be doing, insert a. So let's save this out. What I will be doing, contact C equal to new contact, and further C dot last name equal to Sharma, and C dot first name is equal to Shitij, Shitij. Maybe the Shitij spelling is wrong, so not the issue. So C dot account ID equal to A dot ID, and what I will be doing, insert C. So let's save this and see how much coverage we are getting. So we have not added the round braces here. So since round braces has not been added, so let's save this again and see if our code is getting saved. So yes, it is getting saved, but we are not getting the run test. Now we are getting the run test. So as soon as we get the run test, we run the test, and if we go on the test, we are getting coverage. But let's see how much coverage we are getting. We are getting 90% coverage. Which line is not getting covered? That is update operation is not happening. So what we will be doing, we will be performing another operation, that is what I will be doing, I will be creating another account A equal to new account, and here E1 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 dot name is equal to luggage. So it is a random name, and insert a. I'm intentionally not putting it to premium and seeing if my code is getting covered. So what I will be doing, c dot account id equal to a dot id and a1 dot id a1 dot id, and what I will be doing, update c. Let's save this out, and now let's test if we are getting the coverage or not. So let's save this out, let's run the test, and if I go again here, I'm now getting 100% coverage, because this line is not only getting covered. So already we have created the case, so we don't need that a case with the premium should get created or not. So that's way we have completed the test class. So this complete our scenario 42. If you feel this content is good, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit all bell icon on in order to get more such videos. Thank you. Thanks everyone.